Hello guys, this is a Samsung Z Fold 4. Samsung Z Fold 4 with a broken screen. Okay, so I'm going to be showing us on how to disassemble the phone, then on how to change the screen. What I'm going to be showing us now is how to remove the screen at the front screen, before you can have access to the phone. This is the front screen. You know, everything about this screen is working. It's okay, no problem. Okay, so there's no problem with the front screen. But before you can have access to the phone, like get into the phone, you need to first of all remove this screen that is in the front. So, and removing it is not that easy, but I will be showing us on how to remove the front screen to have access to the screws. Also, there's a back cover here. This is plastic. It's not that it's not difficult to remove, but where you have the difficulty is the screen, because it's not broken. So you have to be very careful, because you're going to be using this screen again. Okay, after replacing this broken screen. Okay, so this is the new screen I bought yesterday. Okay, this is a new screen, so I'll be changing the old with the new screen. So what I'm going to be showing us is about how we can remove this screen, this first screen at the front, to have access to the phone. Okay, so to remove this screen, you're going to be needing alcohol, plastic, a very fragile plastic with this what's it called, melter. Okay, so I'm going to be using this also. You see how fragile it is. So what you need to do now, you will have to, this is heat gun. This is heat gun. This heat gun right now, okay, you will tune it to 92. Put it in 92 to hot to at least 92. Okay, then 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you remove the phone from the screen. Okay, after 2 minutes, okay, remove the screen from the heat gun. Apply alcohol around it. Apply it. See, like, just go round, because you are not going to be having problem when you apply it. Then this you use this, pick it from the for the front. Okay, front, this near the front camera. Pick, let it go down. Okay, let it go down. Let this metal go down, then down the side of the screen. You pick it up gradually. Okay, you pick it up, then you now use this. You now support it with this plastic. Okay, you take it from the down. Okay, then you remove the metal gradually. You go through it from the down. This is how you're going to, you see, you'll be applying, while you are going, be applying this alcohol. Okay, you apply it around and you are going. That's how you're going to be doing it till you get to this. You go around it. Okay, when you go around it, okay, while applying this, gradually you go around it. This is now where you have to be very careful. You can still take it back to the heat gun for at least 2 minutes again. Make sure it's very hot for at least 2 minutes again. Okay, and remove it, bring it back. Then Then you will continue opening it till you get to this very part of it. Then this part, you make sure that this part that you're going to be that goes in under the screen will be very little. You see, you can see from the top, very little, so as to not to destroy the flesh under the screen. Okay, you go through it. Be very careful. Okay, go through it. Then when you get to this very part, make sure that the tip of the plastic is what you are going to be using. The tip. Okay, the tip of the plastic is what we are going to use to remove the gum under the screen. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to remove the screen of Samsung Z Fold 4. Take your time, don't be afraid. Okay, this is how you're going to be removing the screen. Then after that, you can see this. I've not even unscrewed it. I did it yesterday evening, like 30 minutes. So then that's all. So what I'm going to be doing now, I want to change the complete screen, and what I'm going to be doing now, we come back again when I'm done changing the screen, the front screen. So what I want to do now, I'll get back to you when I'm done. I'll come back online. I'm going to be uploading the finished job. Okay, so I just only want you to know how to disassemble the front screen. Okay, the other part, if you're able to do this, the changing the complete screen will not be difficult for me. I don't know about you. So this is how it works to remove the front screen of a Samsung Z Fold 4. So thank you for listening to me. Please share, subscribe, and like. God bless you.